Josh Duggar likely to be attacked in prison by violent inmates due to child pornography crimes. Lawyer claims Josh Duggar is likely to be attacked when in federal prison by violent inmates due to his child pornography crimes, a lawyer claimed to The Sun. Josh, 34, was found guilty of possessing and receiving child pornography on December 9 and faces up to 20 years in prison on each count. He is currently in Washington County Jail in Arkansas until his sentencing in early April, as he will then be transferred to federal prison. Beverly Hills attorney Adam Michael Sachs exclusively told The Sun Josh will be housed in a separate part of the prison with other inmates who have committed similar crimes for his own protection. The lawyer explained, "If you're a sex offender and they put you in the population with the normal prisoners, you'll be attacked in an hour. When you're the new guy in jail, very quickly it's, what is he in for? If it gets around he's in for child pornography, he's marked. They will hurt him. It's not a joke." Advertisement, for his own protection, there is a separate part of the jail and he would have more limitations. He won't be playing tennis or doing activities. It's a different experience. It's not as extreme as solitary confinement, but a lot of these jails don't let you go out much. The attorney continued that Josh will have a jail job and will have opportunities to get a college degree or learn a trade. It is unclear which federal prison Josh will be sent to when sentenced. Sentencing District Judge Timothy L. Brooks will decide on the exact number of years based on a range determined by the federal sentencing table that factors in criminal history, age of victims involved in the child sexual abuse material and more. Advertisement Adam previously told The Sun that he believes the father of 7 will get the maximum sentence in the range. The lawyer, who specializes in family and criminal law, said, "The judge doesn't have a lot of discretion because of the formula used for sentencing. If the judge feels like he's worth saving, he'll go towards the lower end of the range. If Josh has a bad attitude in court or if he is influenced by victim statements, he'll aim for the higher range." The attorney continued, "For Josh, I believe he will get a higher sentence. Courts don't want to deal with being accused of giving special treatment and just giving a slap on the wrist. The judge might say, people looked up to you. You were on television. You should have been a better example for the people who watched you." According to the sentencing table viewed by The Sun, Josh could receive a minimum of 6 years in prison and a maximum of 14 years in prison depending what exact range he falls into. The attorney also confirmed that Josh's 2 charges will run concurrently, meaning he will serve both sentences at the same time. Shocking trial. Josh was arrested and charged with possessing and receiving child pornography in April 2021. The highly publicized trial lasted 2 weeks before the jury submitted a guilty verdict on both counts. At trial, prosecutors presented damning evidence from Josh's HP computer. It was revealed that one file name found on his HP desktop computer was of a video of a 3-month-old being sexually abused. One folder contained 65 thumbnail files of an underage girl. The jury was shown the images and videos prosecutors claim were found on his computer. Prosecutor William Clayman provided alleged texts and photos were taken on Josh's phone at the car lot to show he was there at the same time child pornography content was downloaded at wholesale motorcars. When the verdict was read, Josh was immediately handcuffed and taken into custody at Washington County Jail, where he was placed in solitary confinement away from other prisoners for his safety until his sentencing.